Hello there viewers, you're welcome to this platform. This is the platform where we share tips on trading live. And if you are viewing this channel or this page for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and follow our pages, TikTok and Facebook. And do not forget as well to turn on your bell for notifications so that whenever I upload any video, you are going to be notified. Don't scroll yet. Don't scroll yet. You wouldn't know if this video is going to be beneficial to you. So before I continue, this is what I've already opened. If I shrink it like this, as you can see right there, see the trades that I have open, as you can see. Okay, so I have an idea on where the market might go next. That is what I'm doing right here. Okay, so this could be beneficial to you, as I said earlier. Now, looking at the charts, familiarizing you with what I have here, as I said, is this is BTC USD. On your platform, you may have it as a BTC USDT, and after that, I'm on 4-hour time frame, as you can see, and the trade that is running currently, as you can see right here, I open a trade that is running right here. Okay, so after that, what next? The lot size that I use there is 0.02 lot size, but this particular setup I'm about to drop now is going to be for a person who has like around 500 to 1000 USD, like in the capital of the account to trade this setup I'm about to drop now. As you can see, I've already set the TP. I have the TP 1, 2, 3. As you can see, this is TP1, this is TP2, and this is TP3, where I projected that the market is heading. Okay, so this setup is mainly for 500 to 1000 USD accounts, but I'm trying to look at giving setup for the fewer minute and also accounts around 100 and 200 USD as well. So after that, I have something else here, which is my RSI. And looking at this RSI now, it's been trading around this place, as you can see. So struggling to break the 50 level upward. Okay, that is that. And what else is that this market right now, let me break everything down to you right from where you can understand it. I've familiarized you with my screen already. And oh, something I've not said. This blue line you are seeing here, that is my 200 EMA. Yes, that blue line is my 200 EMA. And after that, the lines that you are seeing there, I have red line there, 2. I have green lines there, 3 of them. I have that golden line, and I have the purple line, and also this white line you are seeing up there. All of them are not just there. They have the purpose they are serving where they are. Okay, so my 200 EMA is just normal 200 as the period, and also I set they apply to close. I give it blue color and the width is 2. And after that, the RSI you are seeing there is just normal setup of the RSI. Okay, the period is 14 and the overbought 70, the oversold 30, and I have the one at the middle there, the 50. Okay, that one also has the purpose, it is 7 there. All right, so as it is now, the RSI is currently below 50. If you look at it very well, it's below 50. So this is confirming that the market is bearish or sellers are in control. Okay, now after that, The next thing there is the key levels. The key levels, it's very important for a trader to know how to determine this before you look for entry at all. Know where you are going, okay? Now, right from the screen there, I have the major rejection zone to be 89,200, okay? 89,200, that is somewhere here. You can see the blue, sorry. Yes, this area here, that is according to price action, okay? That is my rejection area, the zone. And that is the major one that I have there. Then if I look at it, according to my 200 EMA that I set there, and plus structure as well, I have another resistance that is supporting the previous one, which is major to be around 91,800 and 92,200. Those are the two lines that I put here. You can see these two lines, the golden line and also the purple line. Those two, they are what? The 92,200 there, that is the another resistance there according to my EMA structure, and the next one in purple, that is 91,800. Now, after these two, another line that you have there is the previous area where this market broke from. Sorry for that. Going back. Yes, right there. I put that line there also to signify that this white line you are seeing here, okay, that's white line. That is not just there. It is showing the previous breakdown level. That is where the market broke from. Okay, let me show it to you right from here. Sorry that this is coming this way. It's because I'm using mobile phone to do this. When I grow old, I will buy laptop. So looking at this area here, you can see that we have them as support, the support level. When the market comes to the first one here, it returns upward. The same level here, it returns upward as well. And after that, the market goes up there to retest and eventually broke it right here, okay? And breaking it right here seems to be, as you can see, right here. You see, the market broke down here and make those areas minor resistance levels. Then after that, it's what? Breaks that particular area as well. After 2 times attempts, okay? Then after that, the market eventually find its way downward, and it has been trading below my 200 EMA. As you can see, this is my 200 EMA, and the market has been trading below it. Now trading below it and coming to the area where I'm making the analysis right now, where we have series of lower highs and lower lows until the last stop where it is now. Okay, now the next thing that remains is, for me, all those areas that I showed to you now, they are not just ordinary areas. They are still sell zones, okay, not buy zones as they are. Okay, then after that, I have the support areas that I marked out in greens. The first minor support area that I have is around 86,500. Looking at the lines that I put here, we'll see 86,500 to be this one. This is a minor one. It is 6500 that I marked there, and followed by the strong reaction zone. That is, markets tested that particular zone severally. Okay, test it very, very well, and happens to be strong support, like the market is bouncing back to the uptrend when testing that area. Let me show you back there. That is the TP2 that I set there, as you can see. Let me take it right from the back. Okay, let me start right from there. If you look at it, we have it here. That is the first one, like this area here. After that, the market continues. We have another one here. See it here again. Clear bounce right from there. The market still continues and almost touching it right here, but not touched. We have one here, another one right there. Okay, so this shows that that particular zone is a strong one. Then after that, I have another one marked out right there, which is the third one in green line. That is 8500, and that is the liquidity target. Like, what do I mean by liquidity target? Is this is the area I'm talking about now, and that is why I made my TP3. Show it to you. Yes, right there. So this is the final destination of this thing. Okay, that is where the lower eyes starts coming from, like it is climbing up, but not yet in the uptrend. Okay, so that is the area that if the market comes right from up there and is able to clear all those areas, that is the liquidity target of the market down to this particular area. Okay, so those three lines you are seeing on the screen, they are my target area as TP. As I said earlier, I have the first one there, which is this area. That is my TP1, TP2, and my TP3. Okay, those are they. And aside that, the entry zones that I figure out right from the analysis, but when I was doing something else, I entered the trade late. That is why I have my trade around this place. That is not where it's supposed to be exactly. Okay, that is why I have it. But the normal entry for me, as regarding this, my analysis is 88,800 to 89,300. Okay, so looking at, let me move my crosshair. Moving my crosshair, I have 88,800. If you can see my crosshair moving right by the right hand side, 88,730. Good. That is where, yes, look at this, my crosshair right there. Can you see that? This right there. That is where my entry is. Okay, that is where I should have entered. Or you can see it's a little far from where I just entered now. So that is the main entry zone. Okay, then if that is my main entry zone, I put my stop loss to be around 91,600. That is above, a little above my 200 EMA plus the structure of the market. And I said this to be around here, 91,600. This is 91,300. Okay, I've already set the TP. If you look at the, that is my TP there, and this is where my crosshair is. Okay, 91,600. That is that as well. And after that, the TPs, I've already set them. Those are the 3 green lines. The TP1 followed by TP2 followed by TP3. And this is, when looking at it very well according to the stop loss that I said, the RRR, like a risk reward ratio, is 1:3.5. Okay, looking at it, this is my SL to where I should enter normally. Okay, that is it. So from there down to TP3. So that's my RRR is 1:3.5. Okay, that's that. And after this all said, the reason why I believe this should work is that the price is below my 200 EMA, which shows what? The bearish trend. And also we have a kind of a lower highs plus lower lows correction pattern. And that is continuation pattern when you look at the range area, okay? And another thing, or the reason why I think this should work out is because my RSI is unable to break above 50 yet. So it shows weak momentum of the market as well. And another thing is looking at the charts, we have the price rejecting previous support, which shows that what? Supply is dominant, okay? When you look at the market, you see that price is rejecting the support area. So for everything that I detailed right there in this my analysis now, this my projection will only be invalid if the following that I'm about to say now, if they are not working out. This my projection or this analysis is going to be invalid. Now this is a 4-hour time frame, okay? So if the candle, okay, that correct candle now, if it moves in a bullish form to close above 92,000, okay, if it closes above 92,000, and the 92,000 is going to be around these 2 lines. These 2 lines is going to be the side, okay, the side of the going to be the side of the 92,000. So if the candle that is forming right now, if it goes up to close above 92,000, okay, just abandon the short. Like we are going to abandon that going short, like selling the instruments. That is it. So which means that market will then be targeting 95,000 to 97,000 in the bullish form. That is what it will be. And that is the end of my analysis. And I will say once again, if you are watching this video on this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, follow our pages. Do not forget to like and comment if you really learned something from what I just explained, okay? And as I said, on daily basis, I'm going to be dropping setups. I'm going to be dropping setups, probably from currency, from derivative indices, boom and crash, from metals, gold, and so on, if I could. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for being there.